Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video, we're going to be making a wainscot panel for the backside of an island and also putting a bar top on it. Let's go ahead and draw out our wall. And these steps are the same for both face frame and Euro construction. Let's make an island probably about 84 inches wide. And I'm going to click on where it says Make Wall and Island. And what that's going to do is that's going to change the height of my wall to 0 inches. Click on OK to place that. Now let's go ahead and place our cabinets on here. Now, because I do want my cabinets to go end to end, let's adjust my job standards. Let's go to my windows and doors and adjust my clearance from door or end of wall to 0. And while we're in here, let's also go to our countertops and make sure that our backsplashes is turned off. This can also be done in the cabinet standards, but I'm doing it for the overall job for the aesthetic look. Apply those, and now let's go ahead and place some cabinets on my island. Let's do a regular base cabinet. Let's do a sink. And let's do a drawer bank. For the back side of my island, let's place just a regular base cabinet, make it the full width, 84 inches. And place. And now we can go to our elevation screen and click on that cabinet to customize it. The easiest way is just click on the cabinet and click on where it says go to elevations, or I can jump straight to the custom cabinet screen. I like to go to the elevations first and then click on the cabinet to customize it. On here, this next step is very simple. View and delete boards, wainscot panel. Click on yes. And that gives us just a giant wainscot door. If you want to adjust the information for that, just go to openings and rollouts, click on the opening, click on adjust for opening, and then you can adjust the information down here in the French lights section. Once this is placed, we're almost complete. Let's go and go to our cabinet standards. Let's place a countertop on this for a bar top. Go to countertops, put in a thickness. I'm going to give it 1 inch to match the rest of the job, and then adjust my front overhang to be 10 to 14 inches, whatever you need for a bar top. And then apply. And the last step is to adjust the height of this cabinet. What you want to do is to match it so that way it doesn't look like it's going all the way to the ground. You click on the cabinet, go to Edit Cabinet, adjust the height of this cabinet to be minus the height of the toe kick in your standards, which a normal standard toe kick is 4 inches. So let's make this 30.5 and adjust the distance from the floor to bottom to be 4 inches. So that way the cabinet is now 30.5 inches tall and it's 4 inches off the ground. Click on move and place that cabinet. Let's take a look at it in our 3D. Let's go to view at the top of the screen and click on where it says take a 3D tour, or press F8 on your keyboard. Now, because I don't have any other walls in this job or anything, we're going to have to zoom out a little bit. So let's zoom my camera out. And now I can actually look and see that that is 4 inches off the ground. And my toe kick goes all the way around. And also I have my bar top. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to give us a call, 209-836-4077. We're more than happy to help out. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.